akwa chefe yo sam me cheo bibia what you say me cheo bibia yeah I busy we doing that time editing yeah we chasing the paper yes be person me can and some be fa Martin right afa Tuni Jonas almost wire no but first of all may address issue way I Kwadwo Nkansah Lewin yes Lewin issue be started trending na me hwe na me tie amanfo a omo ye ho video o ma no asem a na o se be pese me ka bibi kakra fa ho what you say guy be o see am say friend akwesa na bibi sa ono so ne omo na ye yi na but who say why interview no na interview na me share ye no ama to be honest with you o se me kasa what you say o se me ka bibi big akwesa baby obi amechiao that interview now oh yeah no it pains me and some akafa Kwadwo Nkansah ho no because some from some munya interview na first of all no mo pay 100 Ghana bi mamu na amamo keka nkwasiasem what I say na mo keka mo ade kase mi enti a wo se Kwadwo Nkansah enipa Kwadwo Nkansah na beto yibizu bia na ne carry akofom sa adwen no wo kasa asem wi a na so wadwen so a wadwen eketwa sorry to say na wonni mu nyansa what I say okay say Kwadwo Nkansah efro ni we movie bi na ne ye pe na o career end ya na say to be honest with you ade afre ni nyansa wonim bi listen omo te Ghana krom ho no mo a dodo na tu kwan no omo no betie sa akwa na story we omo no betie sa akwa na story we cause on bo homode aso on bo homode what I say for years Ajako is very good person Ajako ya there but you can't be a media born say we Jimmy Akaba ne ho osere bibia Kwadwo Nkansah Lewin apart from that no Kwadwo Nkansah ya wise when ni munyansa agin obo ni tirim and no the beat mu nyina no it's not about say when in your movie unya yi maybe say we just common sense listen you for say Kwadwo Nkansah main character wo no we watch me bia we na mu when na agin say obaji din wom Lewin Nkansah na obaji din. So that's the secret. So Nkansah yeah when Nkansah utwa sinini ade na sa wono ya konfobia wonam kwancha na sa wo ya konfobia we che woni ade na Nkansah na movie ni na gira no so a opese hwan na konanim what you say let's go back to Kwadwo Nkansah and Likey is making it now a man for per Likey ni oye and a man for hu dey Likey oye because oni Kwadwo Nkansah anko one set so and so oni need the same place or mushitu ayi I don't a draw. I don't bibia. It's because now no like enya row bia all play no baby. Hono attention so akon so me hu ni otimi ye. And you say bia a draw na Kwadwo Nkansah kwa kwaje. Gara for ya munja sa John in crasisam no. Mo ye sa asem oni ntiye. Kwasi broni krom ni we. Won dua draw bia ho. Osore a oye ni obeya obo no modern. What I say? Uko Hollywood obi na obako bia na no aka se na obi age adro bubo mu din sister bi waje adro nti na ne ye movie a wai be ko from na dia ade e ma asem no ade e be ma asem no munya John no ade Kwadwo Nkansah onya mo den boy na dwen so agin woni tirim what you say and odi beat mo no Kwadwo Nkansah say o the star bia be twasini na emom no no nko obi channel e ya agin enya adro e ye nyansa Kwadwo Nkansah say upeso fana you can't pay upeso ni interviewer you have to sign something the guy is smart smart se munyina anu ti na monti ase no se wakwaje adro bi na okasa broni kura besero okasa sorry to say na opani no woni munyansa what you say big akwesa interview we aye no kura de enyenyenyenye mom people free internet ne so mom people say interview no kura free internet ne so so Kwadwo Nkansah age adro bi ntino wa ni na hu na ne yesini a obekọ fom no no kosoro John san kwase asem si na ma Ghana te fa akono na adro sem obi atu adro Hollywood film be na omuntwa no asati so wa film be na Hollywood omuntwa hwa na aba abanti abeka se ana star bi Hollywood woni ne ye ya career abekọ fom because you people you are lazy people over there show the works na moye Nkansah jinaso we jinaso free to because o put too much effort in ade a o ye bia no obu brand no mo se mo tie ase ade akran so no ade ana Nkansah say ana wakwaje adro na ane ye movie na won kwose na wan Masa, now no be uni obi ye movie now you be a wetchum keke. I can hello to say no wetchum. I know be your main character one I can trend one I hate it. Me be just in here. Nasa ko John Cancer on one, na fa wana. Enye yes sir. And to be say like you could him because like enya kwan echo another place, another side of the production line. Echo yan short movies. I'm a Ghana for who say guy should be wonimu. Anything I like you honum. What I say now din ko John Cancer so many years now din achia. And Cancer my own main actor no own man and can main dia bempo. What I say on my own side no. E to be din achi sa net here. Because on person be fall we nya dro munya sa John sem na won te Ghana hokra what I say so ko John Cancer go dey dro na e wo mu wani na eka na de as me hu video no sisi a na me hu ye no ma say John kra ade ala no kase bia ye lazy ye ni adwuma ye kase bia ye time what I say odi nimre and say bia odi say something like that and stop man hwa make kan kwase abrofo awie. Stop that crowd. Stop that. Don't say it again. Say drone and one thing. Emma won't so. We are lazy. Obi are 100 Ghana. And I got to know your interview. Now he can't quite say. Now we are who say ya. I better work with him. And Cancer will never do that. Because John Cancer will never do that. Oh, person and Cancer didn't come out. Look at procedure. Be real. And no the beat him if you don't know. Mama who you cheap. Move at social media. Now mo Cancer all the time. And Cancer yes I don't know. Open so who Cancer be bread. And only branding no. It in Cancer bobbing all the time. Then he come and sit here and say, oh, you see a drone now, a drone you see here, and I might need to need to move here then the mother. Munya sa John. Who didn't Cancer chi. Now Shana Wunya Robian player. Cocotte now so talk cameras. What I say? Copper cameras be talk. Now see you who you will. Na munyasa money na namna mu ye yankwase videos na Cancer akodi Ghana for the Jimmy sa and a draw kwase broni chrome oba hanoma yanka dro asem ha enso bibi akoso moti Africa na muasem ne kwase asem ha kra na church me no what I say moti Africa ana muasem ne kwase asem ana ayi obi akodi adro ana ho akwese ana ho akwese sa ebeden na ade na wo ye na koso ebeden na koso Mom bradim who ye, Mama boy den. Said then Cancer ye nibi. What I say? Video them who me bofu papa. Why we crabacas and Cancer about me pa. What I say me bofu pa. Video fit and time interview time. Ben amoya no Ghana osano. Ah? Because in the social media everyone obia person trendy, obia person the channel ko nanim, obia person who page. Enti ya ma kakra. Yama ka crash won semu a na wakwa yama 100 Ghana bia sha won semu no ba betan no aka nkwase asema fo obi ho na wo on the name say opasa wo gidin opasa ati udin jo akofo ko John Cancer e de emo bia aya ne channel ma no kra from because me share video no bia me share video no me share no ama no from because I am time e de nkwase na mo de kum de bia ma mo di kumase fo atem what I say de bia mo ma ye di kumase fo atem enkurase sem fo tantan be no o twasini na o twa ne ye musini fo tantan a mo twetwa ani nya fe camera fo tantan a mo yusu no Ghana honom what I say ayi audio fo tantan edit am ye na wo ye na nkoso na de ko she ko John Cancer se ko John Cancer ma nkoso kwase asema kwakwa abufu sam kra na mo ye ne sa no se wakwaje adro bullshit adro me na ase mo starting ya adwuma mo dide mo kwanse na mo ye interview a ana obi ba ya obi ani se kuma udide mo a matwetwa mo ye ma mo 100 Ghana bia mo abetono akasa this what they are doing what I say Boga Chuni Jonas almost waira still I maintain can a bit my strategy what I say but on the more serious note no Mama yanka asembi video bia aye Chuni Jonas na down for no ye no say kwan the don say e kwan guy no ye no entwa ye what I say yes ye mfayensa benkum kire ye krom kwan so de me kire no ana enema bi wo ha ani kwan se so ye nyina we are for fix the country yes ye pese country ye fix it so de me kire no man ko ye na ye fefefese abrochire amenam na mom no akwa bi o free Jamaica etima gina Facebook nkan kwase asem kire Ghana mampani say wo baba wo wakufuado woni NPP government me ba betum wo Ghana ade kwase asem no ade abufusem na say aba Ghana sa no obi atimi ye ni opeo ko Ghana say the one Just go to Ghana and do that bullshit over there. Come na cry me cry medical. Come na try me medicament wash. But no some 50 days okay. What you say? Just go to Ghana. Okwa ko ma kufu do homework se wonye. Modia Ghana for boys youth no mesra mo mutie. Amane ye man ya nyina sabrochire ya anke de bedia na brochire ye. Ghana ya nkenya se abetere tena brochire. Amanfo nyom beba o machi but because Ghana niam anko yenti. Na so no nkire se o ma ho so a won dwen na okeka nkwase asem. Twinu Jonas to America glass and crown. And this be asem bi aba. Nyame pamu se bia wa yira na bibisa. Na se Twinu Jonas ayira mpa. Ada na system work here. System ni tim nya hwehwe nipa no. Omfa system no hwehwe no. Ti se Jimmy dia. Jale me kasama me ne crazy. Me kasama me ne ekramposi. What you say? System ni here adwuma wa America glass and crown. Na nipa na kase na se me fa se yehu na. What the all things being equal. Young fan say yehu na. Anya sa system na say America nya Ghana na obi ayira yehu no. Anya sa system na enya adwuma no. Anya de be hwehwe no. And then you come and sit on social media and talk bullshit. Say oh na Akufo-Addo me ma 24. Me ma 24 hours and I say 42 hours. Oh man na Akufo-Addo 42 hours. She say we are pa ye nya betwa o. Ye be hu na kokon ka say wo ne wa ye. Ah wan shiwi ya wontimi kasa wakatakata wedi no. Wo ma na Akufo-Addo 24 hours on pa Twinu Jonas no. Na na Akufo-Addo ogigi susu ana say ono wa ye town council. Ah on nam hwehwe amanfo. Ana say ayi. What the fuck is wrong with you, man? Vas is loose. Vas. What you say? Yeah. The American say it's about time I Ghana for. You be just ankwasi asem so. Siam some babel good subi. I say. What I say? It's about time I Ghana for. You be just ankwasi asem so. Ah obi Jamaica ni bi. Ati America say o ti Ghana mampani wo ne hwe o. Mo asem akwakwa. Ono everybody say social media do. Social media come fuck it. Kwase bia bi na me ye.
Head north on Malstatter Strasse.
What me for camera?
Meters turn left onto Breiter Strasse B51.
What me for camera? E bi na me ye. No be di obi atem na akọ free. Wo ne hwan say wo no. Ewiase pa say wo no wo te Ghana mampani wo ne say NPP government na Akufo-Addo. I will come to Ghana. Go to Ghana. Na kutoka kwadu ase no besi abu ho no. Udu kutoka international airport. Ma me ka story bi chiro. There was man bi. Tama ne jeje wo so no. Na bi cross me fine po. Na man bi o ho no man no.
51 for 1.5 kilometers.
Na man bi o ha man no ofress atam na telephone your friend saying radio. Ofra. Yeah hello me free he no wa kire wadwen. So this man no Germany. Man ne free bia hello me hwan me free Germany I aban ye jimifo aban na say no abondi no adi aban na tem da bia no afrantini ono de ofra ya ni ehu so ono a man di aban na tem. Do you know what happened? This guy on the road in wako holidays for Ghana okodu kutoka oh welcome Mr. Debe no twa mu jantre wa twa mu ko etu akwa chele o Ghana ho nyina oba back o delay nim sa na se bia example Mr. Ampofo yes sir free line mu bra aho na abetew do eho ana abe mo dia mo tena social media na mo ni nkwase asem what you say mo tena social media na mo ni din nkwase asem se asem to wa mo show video say more fire no you see say they won't be there ma me hwa map no se bia me nam ne no a okay what you say asem to wa those people who are doing more fire bro more fire no boss o ma send fire me ansam bi na ba na wani age na wo jimi no asem to wa they are not there. It will be you alone. What you say? It's about time I offer phone say wo ye video abajen mun certain issue mo agen no yanka say bibi nya obi nkan bibi yaka. What you say? Na entro phone time no koye stories na dia for obi ho all in the name say also person trend no master say ato ani bro. It won't end here. And your Facebook nko na man for beka no What I say? What you made the mother, would ya, or more me or more fire, and this home did you susu, no more the abejo. So I'm best amateur. Eti, Trini Jonas, so I ra, so on your eye, say extra to say then, Jenna, ya bomb pass him, or best back, because I did not Jonas Yano, upon Bibia and your Becambiano, or China Jane. I know your freedom of algorithm, and actually Jonas say, upon be open penasam, open or China Jane. What I say? It's I don't think there will be all China Jane yet. At the Bonnie Batono. So I can't say Tiao. That's all her name anymore. Final court. Yes. Final court. So I can't say Mitchell. Now Shannon yes and Tia. Final court. Name of yes will be better Bonibia. Your bomb pass it to Jonas. Best bag glass and quan. Amount for at the side videos no entertaining or more call America that or much a damn or more street in the it's no Ghana for here to Jonas. It's young na yeah bomb pass or best be any videos I want you know what was so no be dig Ghana for nothing yeah normal what you say. Jonas and right Bibianya no a strategy and you me feeling. Now bigger quest video now yeah any be myself be symmetry. What's your obi omu wani ne be hu se Kodjon Cancer le we no wo bibi won ho eti woni no ho a won koso boga skabi show bottom na cancer be ye free mu ana se obi ayi a friend say director bi chin cancer obebo ne ade we no obi a o issue asasi so a obi a o issue adena de bia mo pese mugu akwa we ni mu asesa de bia cancer en cancer. Yo, I think some network in here start be menstrual. Me that's what I say. What I say straight up. Yes. Yeah. Yaka and cancer no. Na okoso channel in a short series. Okoso building YouTube channel. Okoso yen Facebook. Okoso yen nyom. Or try say oba organize all the stars in Ghana. They are in short movies. Abra mu boni din waste time on hono. No or kwenanim. Kuma udu agu. Sa you know kuma udu nagu. What I say now obi a try short skate obi andi ni lame sa wo ya ade ayere ho ye sa wo ya ade ayere ho ye me metena social media anki kan kwa asesem bia mfa Kodjon Cancer ho what I say mon kocho camera papa na mun yusu na mon pe sound papa mon pe editors papa mon nye movies papa na mun nya ene sa kwase yi na mo ye na musu mo ya na akofa tailor na mususu obi no mo ya na etwam na nkoyi a na fe ato andi inties na mkeka kwase asem ene obi a shoot say suyan kwa just obi aye the same thing and now go YouTuber Kumasi for ni nyina akofa ayi ade pama de tailor for ayi ana mo measure ema o mo to so obi aye bi na wo yese na say etwam a anya fa biem a na da kwahye Kodjon Cancer na say mo nya san kwase ayi no storyline na say o say mo nya san ne ma no ah and obi akoto ayi Adie be your friend say I make sure I don't cry man. And obi akoto adie be adie ya mo bon kekekeke no e de machine asi ho e na mo ya na makofa gas na mo to so no na mo de ayi e measure o mo no fune ayi obi a ye the same thing idea ba ko pe no obi a ye the same thing what you say na wo ye na twam a wo wi na ko blaming cancer say Kodjon Cancer na akoji aduro e na wo na ye na say na munya jimi no bigger quiz video now ye na ye jump pa what you say enya ni tie wo ye guy so wo ye guy wa pampa pakama so they make sure no and so bi ba no be ma 100 Ghana bi said Brian May interview ka chen say you are expensive onye and no na Kodjon Cancer di beat him no and cancer anka onye sa sika kitikiti we e metena ho ma me church e me keka nkwase asem bia what I say abusuan for your friend the mouth come on hina about hina na dua say o hina na dua ne bia na first and do any boss page we make sure so we follow page no what I say o follow page ni we are your page back your friend plated the market about them good plated sa follow sa page no YouTube or the market baby for but me Instagram ne dia say abusuan for me kwakope ayi me kopa wa che bia di onyame shraw no onye okese on fa free adumu kwa adumu don't worry o frame me di matem asem na me kan come out so nyame shraw wo di atem kra nyame shraw ne etie bia be ye what I say I'm there for everybody onyame shraw bia Danny God I see you God bless you bro.